Hello everyone, today I'm here to show you a really cool experiment. All you need is 2 empty bottles, but one of them will be filled with water. Next, you need a washer, right here. And it has to be a 3/8 inches hole in a washer. And it also has to be the same size as this mouth of the bottle. Next, you need duct tape. And lastly, scissors. And also, you don't need the lids. You don't need the lids of the bottle. Just make it trash or recycle it. First, take the one bottle that's filled with water, have the washer, and put it on top of it. And make sure it's aligned carefully. Alright, good. Alright, good. Next, take the second bottled one and place it on top of the washer and the bottle that's filled with water. And this is not going to fill with water, and that's a bad idea. Alright, now that's good. Now, I want to make this to be together, and a good duct tape will be very perfect for this experiment. Just wrap around at the middle so that it'll be together, stick together actually, and just cut it so that you need a good amount of duct tape. After you've done this, your procedure should look like this. The reason why I put a bottle here is so that some water can leak a little, and that's why I don't want to make a mess on the table. And spread around. And right here, I've done this procedure, and my goal, or your goal, because if you want to follow me, is to actually make this water fall to the other side of the bottle. And all you do is just flip it around. Nothing's going on. I mean, you can probably just like squeeze it, but no, that doesn't count. We just only need the water, no hands. No hands physically. I'm gonna give you a really cool trick. Just take your hand and swirl around it. And it'll create this type of tornado that's falling down. I can do this again one more time just to be sure if you're clear. Let me just clear this quick. Alright. Do this again. Give it a good shake. There he goes. Simply. It's a simple experiment and a very fun. And you're going to ask me, how does it work actually? Well, what's the reason why there's a washer there? The reason is that without that washer actually, the mouth of the bottle is actually bigger than the hole of the washer. If it was bigger, then it would be unbalanced actually. The water can just fall down easily. And if you try it, it'll do it, obviously. But the washer there is actually making it much more narrow. And more narrow means holding it a little bit more. And because the reason why is that little things can flow if it's very little, but it's holding there even more. So that's why it's gonna be like a equal amount. And the water's trying to fall down because of gravitational pull. And the air actually has its own force to hold it back up. That's why it's equal on that middle lid. But our goal here is to make this water go down, right? To the other side. Right? So, we have to make it disturb. And to do that is this slow motion. And the disturbance means making it unbalanced. And that's why this funnel shape, called actually a vortex, people call it tornado, but that's a different whole process to think of. And that's why it's flowing down, because of that unbalance. And that's what falls down. So, I hope you enjoyed this experiment, and I'll see you. Thank you!